The dust released by the same refinery included toxic heavy metals. Residents were told not to eat any vegetables grown outside and to wear masks when cleaning the dust. KTVU's Crystal Bailey joining us now after going to Martinez today. Crystal, what did you hear from residents?
Well, officials say about a half an hour, coke dust was being released into the air from the refinery. They say there's no immediate public health concern, and this dust was not toxic, but neighbors aren't buying it.
Heidi Taylor took this picture on Friday morning, a thick plume of smoke coming from the Martinez Refining Company.
My chest was a little tight today. I'm coughing in the kitchen and I'm like, what is going on?
It's the third time in a year dust has been released from the refinery. This time they tell us it started at 10:31 when equipment was in maintenance, releasing a statement in part. We issued a community warning system level 1 notification, and our refinery personnel are conducting community monitoring. We have also notified appropriate agencies and apologized for any inconvenience this may have caused our neighbors.
They tell us they have it all under control and that they're going to be a good neighbor and they're very sorry about the things that have happened in the past. Then why does it keep happening?
Heidi Taylor says community group Healthy Martinez was founded after the refinery's chemical release in November.
Living in this current environment, not knowing what's being dumped on us exactly, not knowing what the effect is on my health, on my animals, on my property, I'm sick of it.
Contra Costa Health says the release ended right around 11 a.m. They also say they haven't found any evidence of immediate risk to public health. Bay Area Air Quality Management District officials say their inspectors in the neighborhood couldn't find any visible dust, but neighbors have conflicting information.
We don't know what this is. There's this dust particles here.
Neighbor Joey Piscatelli has been vocal, attending city council meetings and demanding officials look into the long-term effects of the dust.
One toxic dust release isn't the problem. It's the accumulative effect, which they're dodging.
Other neighbors sharing pictures of the dust they found.
I think that if you're running a refinery and putting that amount of toxic dust in the air, if you're that irresponsible, you shouldn't be in business at all.
Taylor says the mayor will have a meeting with the refinery and Healthy Martinez later this month.
We will want them to answer.
And Contra Costa Health says the primary health risk from the chemical release in November would have happened in the first few days when people were breathing in dust particles. But after that, toxicologists say there is no increased risk. I also asked officials at the refinery whether they have protocols in place to avoid any more releases of the dust. They didn't immediately respond. CCH and Air District are continuing to investigate.
A lot of frustrated neighbors. Crystal, there's a big homecoming football game tonight for Alhambra High School. Will these community events be affected by what is in the air?
That's a very good question. CCH says the refinery will not be doing any more maintenance today, so officials are not concerned about any issues with the public events today.
All right, sounds good, Crystal. Thank you.